Good morning, children. I hope all of you are well, you are safe at home. Today, again, we shall continue with the chapter The Fun They Had. We were doing the chapter in which two main characters are Margie and Tommy, and they were studying through a mechanical teacher. They found a book in the attic which described the school, the old school. And in the beginning, Margie showed disinterest in this book because she was not interested in school at all. She hated school. The main reason why she hated school was that she was doing badly in the geography subject, and the geography sector was moving very fast, and Margie could not cope up with the subject. That is why her performance in geography was becoming worse day by day. But when the county inspector was called and he inspected the mechanical teacher, he repaired the mechanical teacher, he came to the conclusion that the fault did not lie in Margie. The fault lay in the mechanical teacher. The speed of the geography sector was too much, and that is why Margie was not able to cope up in this subject. But now the county inspector had slowed down the speed of this geography sector to an average 10-year-old level, because according to the intelligence of Margie, the geography sector was moving very fast. That is why she was not doing well in this particular area, in this particular subject. And she wanted that the county inspector should say that he did not know how to repair the mechanical teacher. She thought of those days when once Tommy's teacher was also taken away because there was some problem in the history subject. The history sector had completely blanked out, and for 1 month the mechanical teacher was away. It was taken away for repair, and for 1 month Tommy had a nice time. He did not have to study for a month. So similar was the expectation of Margie, but Margie had to face a little disappointment here, because the mechanical teacher was repaired quickly within no time by the county inspector, and now the geography sector was adjusted according to the intelligence of Margie. We had done till page number 8. Only the last part of page number 8 was left, and Margie shows we had concluded with the line where Margie shows a little interest in the book which was found in the attic later on, and she is asking Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school, because now it is school time again, and Margie and Tommy both have been asked to sit in front of their respective mechanical teachers and study. As you people go to school to study, similarly Margie and Tommy also had a fixed time when they had to sit in front of their mechanical teacher and study. So now it was their school time, it was their study time, and before going to join the school, before going to start her studies, Margie is asking Tommy, can I read the book after the school gets over? Here we had stopped in our previous class. Now let us complete today. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. That means Tommy did not show much interest to the question asked by Margie, and he says, maybe, if you want you can read later on. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the school room. Now, where was the school room? The school room was next to her bedroom. The school room was not in some other premises. It was not in some other building, but it was in her own house next to her bedroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. The mechanical teacher was on. That means the teacher which resembled the modern day computer. It was switched on and it was ready so that Margie could join her classes. As you people are studying through mobile phones nowadays, so it is also a kind of mechanical teacher for you. Similarly, mechanical teacher was waiting for Margie to join the class. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So every day from Monday till Friday, the mechanical teacher was switched on at a specific time, except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. Why was the mechanical teacher switched on at a particular time regularly from Monday till Friday? Because Margie's mother was of the opinion that little girls studied better, they performed better in their studies if they sat at regular hours for studying. Like nowadays, we send you the class codes every morning to join the particular subject class. It is your wish. If you sit like you sit in the classroom at 8 o'clock, your first period starts. If you want, you can sit at 8 o'clock in the morning. If you want, you can sit at 9 o'clock in the morning. If you want, you can sit at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It is up to you. But it is always better, it is always advisable that we must have a fixed time to do every work, because that keeps us disciplined. The most important thing is, if you sit at regular time and do your work regularly at a particular time, then you will always lead a disciplined life, and chances are that you will always get success in your work. Regularity always brings success. That is why in the school also, when the school is open, when we go to school, then is it that you can come to school at 8 o'clock, or you can come to school at 11:30, or you can come to school at 1 o'clock? It is not so. We have a fixed time. We have a fixed timetable. Why? Because when we do our work at a fixed time, we follow a fixed schedule, then it is always better. We lead a disciplined life, we lead a successful life. That is why Margie's mother also believed that little girls do better if they learned at regular hours. At fixed hours, if they start their work and study, they always perform better. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." So this was the instruction which Margie read when she sat and started her work. Margie did so with a sigh. With a sigh, that means she took a long deep breath, and she did as the instruction said, that put your yesterday's homework in the proper slot. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So although she was sitting in front of her mechanical teacher, but she was constantly thinking of the old school, the school which was attended by her grandfather's grandfather. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came. Now she is thinking about that old school. The writer is describing what were the benefits of that old school. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. How important is the paragraph, children? Just mark here as important. Each line is describing about the benefits of that old school where where Margie's grandfather's grandfather had studied. What are the benefits? You can mark in points. First benefit was, all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. First point. Second point, they sat together in the schoolroom. Third point, they went home together at the end of the day. Fourth point, they learned the same things so that they could help one another in their homework and talk about it. Okay, so these are the benefits when you go to the school. Nowadays also you are not going to school, you are studying alone at home. I am sure you must be missing your friends, you must be missing your school, because when you are in school, supposing you are doing some work, you have got stuck up in some work, you are not able to understand something, the teacher is not in the class that you can ask her, then immediately you can talk to your partner, you can talk to your friend, and he or she might help you. Similarly, in this old school also, all the children went in the same school, they studied the same things, they laughed, they enjoyed their school days, they shouted, they used to play. Then they sat in the same school room, they studied the same syllabus, and when they studied the same syllabus, they also used to help each other in their homework and talked about their studies. And the teachers were people. Now another important aspect about that old school which Margie is thinking, the teachers were people, because she has a teacher which is a machine, which is a mechanical teacher, but earlier the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Now the arithmetic lesson is going on. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So, as the arithmetic lesson is proceeding, Margie is not paying attention to what is being taught. She is still thinking about those good old days when the children used to go to school and they had lot of fun there. The fun they had, as the name of the lesson suggests. So here your chapter comes to an end. How does the chapter end? The chapter ends by the thought that Margie is continuously thinking about that old school where the children enjoyed their school days, they had friends, they had companions, they had to study the same subjects, they had to study the same the syllabus, they played in the playground, they shouted, they enjoyed their lives. And Margie, on the other hand, is sitting alone in front of her mechanical teacher and studying arithmetic all alone. She is missing those days when the children went to the school. So she is also saying that she was thinking about the fun they had. Okay, now let us begin with the question answers. Now children, as you can see on page number 10, there are many questions which are written under Roman number 1. Then there are some questions which are written in Roman number 2, then Roman number 3 and Roman number 4. Roman number 1, the questions are either of one word or one line. So these questions, question number 1 to 7 of Roman number 1, you will do in the book only. Roman number 2, both the questions 1 and 2 you will do in the copy. Roman number 3, question number 1 to 8, all questions you will do in the copy. Roman number 4, question number 1 and 2 you will do in the copy. 1 and 2 only. Question number 3 of Roman number 4 we will just discuss orally. Okay, I will tell you the answers of each and every question. We will not skip any question. But remember, only Roman number 1, question 1 to 7, you will do in the book only, because they are very, very short answers. Now, let me start. How old are Margie and Tommy? Now, here you can write on the top where Margie is written, write 11 years. Where Tommy is written, write 13 years. Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Now I am telling you children where the answer is given. The answer is given on the first page of your chapter, in the first paragraph. What did Margie write in her diary? On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, or you can write Margie wrote, today Tommy found a real book. You will write this in inverted comma as it is written. You can mark this answer on the first page of your chapter itself. Question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer will be no. No, Margie had never seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? What things about the book did she find strange? Now, this answer is given, children, on page number 6. On page number 6, second paragraph. I am reading the question again. What things about the book did she find strange? You will mark from the pages were yellow and crinkly. The pages were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Till screen, your answer will be written. I am reading again. The pages were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So your answer will end with the word screen. Next. What do you think a telebook is? What do you think a telebook is? Here you will write, a telebook is a mechanical teacher which resembles a computer. A telebook is a mechanical teacher which resembles a computer. Next question. Where was Margie's school? Answer will be, Margie's school was in her own house next to her bedroom. Margie's school was in her own house next to her bedroom. Did she have any classmates? No, she did not have any classmates. I am repeating. Margie's school was in her own house next to her bedroom. Did she have any classmates? No, she did not have any classmates. Seventh question. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer will be, Margie and Tommy learnt history, geography and arithmetic. Margie and Tommy learnt history, geography and arithmetic. Now Roman number 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. From here you will start writing in your copies. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy says these words. What does it refer to? It refers to the telebook. What is it being compared with by the speaker? It is being compared with the real books. It is being compared with the real books. Second question. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? They refers to the students who studied in the old kind of school. They refers to the students who studied in the old kind of school. What does regular mean here? Regular here means mechanical teacher. Regular here means mechanical teacher. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with human teachers. It is contrasted with human teachers. Now Roman number 3. Answer each of the followings in a short paragraph about 30 words. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? The answer will be Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. It was like a computer. It was not any living person in a classroom. I am repeating. Margie and Tommy had a mechanical teacher. They were not like a living person in a classroom. They were like a computer in front of them. Now here children, I am just telling you for your convenience that I am discussing all the answers just now, and also I will send the PDF of all the answers to you. Don't worry at all. Okay? Don't worry at all. I am discussing all the answers with you just now. I will write all the answers and send it to you in the form of a PDF. Please see that PDF and copy down all the answers in your FAIR registers. Alright? I am repeating this answer once again. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher. It resembled a computer and it was not like a living person in the classroom. Next question. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Now here you can see this answer is given on page number 6. Page number 6. You can see where paragraph 3 is written. You can find this answer there. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. I am repeating this answer in a different way also. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? You can write Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because Margie was doing badly in geography and her performance was becoming worse and worse. So Margie's mother wanted to find out where did the fault lay. Okay? Margie's mother called for the county inspector because Margie was doing badly in the geography sector and her performance was becoming worse and worse. So her mother wanted to find out where did the problem lay. Next question. What did he do? What did he do? The county inspector gave Margie an apple. This also children is given on page number 6, paragraph number 4. As you can see, he smiled at Margie. The county inspector smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Did you see? And took the teacher apart. The county inspector gave an apple to Margie and took the teacher apart. After this you will write, he started repairing the mechanical teacher and after some time reassembled it. He started repairing the mechanical teacher and after some time reassembled it. He slowed down the geography sector, which was now according to the intelligence of Margie. He slowed down the mechanical teacher, which was now according to the intelligence of Margie. Or you can take the exact line from the chapter also and write, he slowed down the geography sector to an average 10-year-old level. Okay, so this will be your answer. Again I am repeating children, don't worry at all. I am sending the PDF of this chapter question answers. You can see the answers which I have written and copy down in your FAIR registers. Next question. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Why was Margie doing badly in geography? Answer. Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been geared a little faster. Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been geared up a little faster. Second part is, what did the county inspector do to help her? The county inspector slowed down the geography sector to an average 10-year-old level. The county inspector slowed down the geography sector to an average 10-year-old level. Next question. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Now this answer you can see on page number 7 very clearly. It is given in paragraph 5, second paragraph. Tommy's teacher had once been taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. I am repeating. Tommy's teacher had once been taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Next question. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Now, this answer you will get on page number 8 and 9. Page number 8, last paragraph, and page number 9. First two lines. We will start the answer from the question. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Because her mother said that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Next question. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Page number 8 will give you this answer. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? This answer you will get in paragraph number 7, children. In old kind of school, the teachers did not live in the house of the student. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They laughed and shouted, enjoyed and studied there. I am repeating. In the old kind of school, the teachers did not live in the house of the student. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They laughed, shouted, enjoyed and studied together there. Next question. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? How does he describe the old kind of teachers? According to Tommy, the old kind of teachers were human beings who taught the students inside a special building. According to Tommy, the old kind of teachers were human beings who taught the students inside the school building. Okay, this is your answer. Now, Roman number 4. What are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers in their schools. They do not have separate buildings for their schools. The next room to their bedroom is the school room for them, and their teachers are like computers. They have sectors for different subjects where they can put their text, they can submit their homework in the given slot. I am repeating once more. Tommy and Margie have mechanical teachers in their school. They do not have separate buildings. The next room to their bedroom is their school room. They have the teachers which resemble computers, and they have sectors of different subjects where they have to put their text or submit their homework. Then they are asking about the school rooms which Margie and Tommy have in the story. The school room, I think children, the previous paragraph also gives you the answer for the school room. The school room was next to their bedroom. Okay, so this line children you don't write in your for your mechanical teachers. No, I am repeating this whole answer once again so that nobody is confused. I am discussing first about the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher was in the form of a big screen. The mechanical teacher was in the form of a big screen. It resembled the computer, and there was a slot where every student had to put his homework and test assignments. The teacher could evaluate the assignment in no time. Then the school room. The school room was not in a separate school building. It was next to their bedroom, and the mechanical teacher resembled the computer. I am repeating again. I will send all these answers in written form also, so no need to worry at all. I am repeating this whole answer once more. The mechanical teacher was in the form of a big screen. Then there was a slot where every student had to put his or her homework and test assignments, and the teacher could evaluate the assignment in no time. Then about the school room. The school room was not in a separate school building. It was the next room which was situated next to their, it was a room which was situated next to their bedroom. Okay, so this is your answer. Why did why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Why did Margie hate school? Margie hated school because she was taught through a mechanical teacher at a fixed time every day. She had to give test after test in every subject, and she was doing badly in geography. This was the main reason actually why she did not like school. She had to give test after test in every subject. The mechanical teacher was going a bit fast in the geography subject, and that is why her performance was becoming worse day by day. She did not have any fun, and she did not have any classmates. Then why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun because in the old kind of school